Our organization is hungry for new technology. Most of our jobs here are very repetitive, so to move a robot into that situation is a lot better than having an employee there.
Traditional robots, you have to find your XYZ, put it to a position. With the Sawyer, all I'm doing is moving it to the position that I want and training it and just pushing a button. Simple as that.
It was impressive as how easy it was to program the machine for pickup points and placement points, and it hit the mark the way it was supposed to.